Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make all public posts on Facebook. So first, you just have to launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application or this one is up to date. Now, what you're going to do here is just simply tap this profile picture at the top right corner, tap this one, and then click this gear icon or the settings and privacy. Scroll down till you see these tools and resources. Tap default audience settings, and then here you can just simply choose your audience or choose your post if you want to set this to public or you want to set this to private. So all you have to do is go to custom settings, and then here you can simply change the settings here. For example, who can see your future posts, you can set this all to public. You can see your stories public. You can see your reels public. Allow others to share your public stories. Yes, toggle this one on and turn this all into public. As easy as that. And that's how to make all public posts on Facebook. So when someone visits your profile, they can see everything here, your reels, your posts, your stories, and your information. As easy as that. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.